For today's video, I am Devendra Mato. Welcome to my YouTube channel known as Self Improvement. Today's topic was to discuss the chapter 4 of the book Atomic Habit. As we have completed the 3 chapter, as you can watch it in my channel, we are coming to the 4th chapter, that is called as the first law, make it obvious. Now the 4th chapter name called the man who didn't look right. First of all, coming to the point, we have to get some example that a psychologist called Garlic Klein, who was observing some of the people in their in nearby them, and finding themselves what type of regular activity by doing their habits. For example, a farmist who was going to meet for her uncle's for his uncle house, and going to reach and talking with him. And after watching his face was getting red up, and she called them that, uncle, you have go to the hospital so that you can and take a treatment from the hospital. But the grandfather or the grandperson says that, oh my dear, this was not any of the issue. I have no any problem that I have occurred from myself. But after some time, for a few hours, the having a but the grandperson or the grandparents of the farmist going for the hospital to becoming to for the hospital for because of the heart because the increase in the heartbeat, or blocking the blood pumping from their heartbeat. So that how does the pharmacist know about, and how did he detect the future? So that this was we can discuss in the past continue in the again video, continue in the video. Now another point that's called as the another military person called the lieutenant commander, who recognized that as the radar system was noticing that there was a the rockets or the missiles that was coming from our country, or our any of the area. So that the lieutenant recognized that how to recognize that how a plane comes, or a helicopter comes, or small drone comes, or any of the gadgets or any of the rockets how come. But the normal I cannot catch it, that where it could be the missile or the rocket. But after watching just 2 to 3 seconds, he just call up and take a cancellation of the call, take a cancellation of the missile, because it was a plane. So it will helping to becoming to with the over fear or overcome the war. Yeah, and the how that it make it possible by the lieutenant. So that there was having a lots of another examples, that how a hairstylist can know the by touching the hair know the woman is pregnant or not. So that we are coming to the habits that we predicted by regularly the habit as usual performing. As we can perform ourselves or doing to our habits again and again, it was happening to be, or it was to be experienced to ourselves, that will we predict the future. As coming to the previous example, that the pharmacist has said that the person grandparents have not so he had just how could he know the future? The single reason is that by experiencing the habit, by regular doing the job in the pharmacist, by dealing with the heart patient regular, observing the small activity of the patient, so that he could assemble, or he could know the reason for that. And the same condition was applied for the lieutenant colonel. So that there was a reason that by regular watching, by regular doing his habit, he make himself that to find out the rocket, or find out the explain, so that he will make a decision to be not to call any of the command or any of the chief higher, so that this will be helping. So now coming to the point that how can we make a good habit or break down the bad habit. So first of all, we can adopt a good habit. We have a lots of effort to take adopt the habit, but also to leave out any bad habit, there was also having a very much effort to be taken. So that first of all, why we cannot take an habit that would be always to be not to be might to be recognized, but it could be accomplished by the small needs. For example, our body performs as much as a small needs. For example, our body that we feel the hunger when we see the food, or when we see the food, or for example, or we get the food, or by the timing that we have wake up in the morning, after 2 hours we get the food, or we know that we want to eat the food, so that we recognize our body to eat the food, for the hunger will be coming at that time. And after the time hunger, and another example, that how to digest, how to breathe in, how to wake up the hand when anyone punches you, to stroll, to protect ourselves. This was we cannot created ourselves, that was our basic habit, that we have adopted it in ourselves, in our body posture, so that it will be helping our um, self. So that it was happening automatically or non-conscious mind. We have do not wanted the conscious thing, that how the hunger comes. This was happening only because of the non-consciousness. So let's coming to the another topic, that habit scorecard. For coming that another very much important lessons that has been given, that if you first of all find the cues meaning, as I told you, that sanket. What is the meaning of sanket? That's what habit that you performing, you get an a small idea or small pinch that you can suffer. For example, let's you want to scroll the phones again and again. If you have going to the kitchen and scrolling the phone to make food, is a good habit or not good, bad habit. This was very much unconscious. But if you have taken your phone into the almirah, or into the any of the place that could be very much far from yourself, so that it helping, it take a barrier to go yourself to take the phone, and after that you will go scrolling the phone. So this will be helping for you. And to making any of the cue, first of all make it visible, or for break down any of the thing, you have to make it invisible. This was very much important. Now coming to the another point, that is called the habit scorecard. What is habit scorecard? Basically we have to take a bunches of good habits, a bunches of bad habits. So how could we find out that which habit was calling to be good and which habits to be calling the bad? For some person to have eating a healthy food was considered to be a very much good habit, but some of the people who has not affordable, so that it could also to be very much lesser opportunity to get it. So how could we find out the good habits or bad habits? To just to going to the process, that has to be seen it there, just to take it the some of the points that you have to be taken. First of all, the example, that make a chart paper and listed down that what type of habit that you wanted to change it, or that you wanted to replace by another habit. So that just make it that while we are wake up in the morning, turn off the alarm, check my phone, go to the bathroom, wait myself, take a shower, brush my teeth, floss my teeth, put on deodorant, hang off a towel dryer, get dressed, make a cup of tea, and so on and so on, and lots of another things. And after time, after watching your behavior, what could be you doing again and again? First of all, make a good habit that you want to continue for your long run. You have to make a plus icon for the nearby the good habit, or make a minus one for the for the bad habit. And another decision that you have to take a for a neutral habit, that you have to do not to change. That was called as the neutral habit, and how was it could be looked like. So that this is the point. And after by recognizing, don't need to just to flow up upon to the good habits, because if you continue to the 2 or 3 days after, you will losing it and continue to the own track. Just to visualizing it, and but slowly you can adopt it, and after the time you can get it, and how it will be helping you for a long run. For example, smoking a cigarette, it reduces your it reduces your stress, but into the coming to the long run, it will helping or it will destroy your future for harming your lungs, or very much sorry say to say very much disease that have to be core, such as cancer, that will be very much dangerous to use. But so that to break down any of the habit, of to adopt any of the habit, very much so much difficult for it. Let's suppose that another reason that how label a good habit or bad habit slightly incorrected. So that for as example say that as of a cigarette, and the another habit that as you create a habit scorecard, there is no need to change anything at first. As I say, the goal is to simplify, notice what is actually going to observe thought and action without judgment or internally. Now coming to the next page, there was called as the don't blame yourself, because if you blaming yourself, then you can pushing yourself to be pushing yourself to be you are a waste and you are nothing to do any of the things. So that just to recognize that I was a human being that who was made up for doing the errors or doing the mistakes, so that you can correct it into the another session or another future timing, so that this will be helping for you. And after reaching it by doing regularly, doing some extra improvement in daily behavior and improving, and by taking the scorecard, just paste in your bathroom or paste in your bedroom, that where you can, and recognize every day that how it could be happen, taking the small changes, and after that it becoming to be the habit. So that this will helping you to reach the needs that you need. And how to talk sorry, for example, that a person who want to be becoming to be a fluent in English, but he couldn't try to how to speak in English fluently, how to speak confidently with a person. But first of all reason that he has to take a fear up, so that make a first conversation with himself, or make a visible thing, a visible place where he can take a decision, that how could we conversate with him, that he that could be recorded or that could be in front of any person, so that by regular doing it can be improved day by day. As for the example of the previous video, I have said that for boiling a water needs 100 degrees Celsius temperature, but there was a temperature of compilation of 99-degree temperature, but a single degree 1 degree of rise in temperature of 1 degree, the water gets start boiling. But there was also very much contribution of 1 degree to 99 degree, because this energy or this heat get comprised or get compounded, so that the water get boiled. Also there was having lots of examples, so that becoming to be a any of the good habit or any of the breakdown of bad habit, you have to just to visible it or invisible it for the bad habits. And after doing a regularity or after maintaining the consistency, let's suppose that a person who want not to becoming to be a consistent, but just to a single thing is that I have to thought it that if a person who wants to run a marathon, just to start to run, if he cannot run, that he has to start walking. If he cannot walk, then start to strolling. If he can't stroll, then just to swim into the sorry, into the floor. So that this will be helping you. If you are not consistent, make any of the thing in the day, not in a day and after 2 days, not in a 2 day after 3 days, but you can do it again and again. If you can't do, then you can't make self what you want to become. First of all, you recognize yourself what you want to become and what type of person you wanted to make yourself. First of all, you know that you for being yourself to be what you want to see yourself after a few years, you have to recognize in with yourself, so that this will be helping you. Let's suppose a person who want to becoming to be a sport person, who want to run a marathon, a person who want to a boy who want to create a good marks, but the initial step that has to taken that, no, the marathon runner was not doing the running regularly. He was just to run up and leave at the Saturday Sunday, going to the party, not maintaining the proper diet, not doing any of the some important things. How could we run the marathon, and how could he reach the and how could he make it possible that he would win the marathon? So that the winning is not to be considered to be a winning purpose, but to run a marathon was very much important. For now, coming to the another session, that the how the boy get a good marks in, not the single, not say that every person get a rank 1, but say, but similarly, but not getting to rank 1, but getting to similar marks as the rank 1. We have to just putting ourselves to become doing regular in the studies. For example, the boy has started to solving the mathematics from the day 1 to the year, so that he have practiced a 37 time better than the another children, so that he was improved himself to be the great as a speed for increasing their speeds and accuracy, or not doing less percentage of error. This will helping a lot, and another many more of the examples, so that the boy has learned many of the thing. The for example, for any of the subjects that we read, this will take not more than a 6 to 7 month, but we have to take a revision of multiple revision, so that it will be possible to becoming to be reach or becoming to be completed very soon or very easily. So that how you can find out your that your good habits, bad habits, or the neutral habits that you want to continue, or that you want to leave it, or that you want to adopt any of the habits, so that this was helping you. So at the last, I can say that first of all, you wanted to becoming to be what type of person you know very well, and you have to find out that what type of person you are and what type of person you want to be in the future. You have to change your habit according to it, and make it conscious and make it possible by doing or by adding the some habits that you want to becoming to be that type of person. So that this will helping you lots of for creating yourself to becoming to be a growth related person, or becoming to be the person who want to becoming to be a very much successful in your life. So that this is for today's video, and end of the today's video, and bye bye.